This is how we cook our spinachy eggs tagliatelle. A liter of water, about a teaspoon of salt. We add a drizzle of oil into the water. This will help prevent the pasta to stick together. I'm gonna drop my simple nest of pasta. Your portion will be around 120, 130 grams. As it is freshly and handmade, the weight will be changing. Reduce the heat and gently with a fork we'll open up the nest. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna prepare a condiment or a little sauce. Very simple. In this instance, we're gonna make a butter and sage sauce. Again, pan on fire, drop the butter in, a little splash of oil. That will prevent the butter to burn. And we take about 3 leaves of sage and we can cut them with the scissors, just like so. If you don't like the sage, don't put it. Once the butter is melted, put the pan aside and continue focusing on the pasta. You know that is ready when the sage, when you start to smell the sage, then you know it is ready. And we'll put it on the side. We'll grab back our tagliatelle. A side tip to understand and see if the pasta is cooked, it starts to be shining and it almost looks like you can see through it, transparent. To cook it al dente, only 5 minutes. If you want softer, you can leave it for another up to 6. Drain off the water. Careful, it is very hot. The pan is on the fire. We're gonna drop the tagliatelle in and we're gonna stir it. And we're gonna let the tagliatelle absorb all the butter. It's about ready. Now that our pasta is ready, we are going to dish it up. Drizzle a bit of butter on top of it. Add some cheese. Grana Padano or Parmesan cheese will do. This dish loves loads of cheese. Touch of black pepper. and the beloved sage leaf. That's how easy it is to make this dish, and enjoy the spinach eggs tagliatelle.